Welcome to all. As you all know, we have gathered here to celebrate 68th Independence Day. Indeed, it was a Himalayan task for every Indian on those days to fight against the powerful British rulers and make future India a better India. Once again, we cannot but remember our unconquerable freedom fighters. So, on this auspicious occasion, we are trying to attempt a small, very small, act with an intention to remember those freedom fighters Kittur Rani Chennamma, Sangolli Rayanna, Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai, Mangal Pandey, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh Rajguru and Sukhdev, Subhash Chandra Bose, and our father of nation Mahatma Gandhi. Also, we would like to present a special act which represents women empowerment in India. And that special act is Vanake Vohava. We must not allow those hard times and struggles fade away from our memories. A way of showing patriotism is through our work. We are patriotic when we recognize what our country has given. I would request everyone give them a big round of applause to begin the act.
जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान हमारा है। सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है। भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान हमारा है।
poor Bharat Mata in British rule.